Hey team, this is Chris Abraham from GOHAcademy. Today we're going to start a series for the new Foundations of Reading exam, and this is designed to help you get ready for the 2020 exam. Now they're revamping the exam. You're going to see the same ideas, repackaged, and in much wordier questions. So it's really important to understand the basics. Let's start with the first major idea, phonological awareness. When we think of phonological awareness, we're thinking about hearing sound, and we call those sounds phonemes. And in the English language, there are 44 distinct sounds, or 44 phonemes, that we're trying to have students hear. So any activity involving phonological awareness is designed to build that awareness of those 44 phonemes on three major levels: the word level, the syllable level, and the phoneme level. The word level is the most basic. Activities on a word level include hearing similarities in the end of words. Like if you read a rhyming text or a poem and it has the words bat, cat, hat, if a child can tell you that bat and cat have a similar ending or a similar rhyme, this would be basic phonological awareness on a word level. Another basic phonological awareness skill is hearing words that have a similar sound in the beginning, like Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. Here the word Peter, Piper, picked all start with that P sound. And we call that alliteration. A child hearing that these words have a similar beginning would be showing basic phonological awareness on a word level. Let's look at the intermediate level, or the syllable level. A little bit harder. If a child can take a word like wonderful, and after hearing the word wonderful orally, clap out the syllables that they hear. Wonderful. If they can identify that wonderful is made up of three unique syllables. A syllable, remember, is the smallest part of a word that has its own unique vowel sound. So wonderful has three vowel sounds. Wonderful. Well, this would be intermediate phonological awareness. It's a little bit harder than identifying if a word sounds similar to another word, because it's going a little bit deeper in identifying the distinct syllables within a word. Now let's look at advanced phonological awareness. Those are activities involving the phoneme level. And we have a special name for these activities that are dealing with distinct sounds or distinct phonemes in a word. We call these activities that involve distinct sounds having to do with phonemic awareness. Phonemic awareness is very important. It has to do with the ability to hear the individual sounds within spoken language. If a child doesn't have phonemic awareness, then they're going to have difficulty with reading and writing activities. There are many activities that fall under phonemic awareness. We'll get to these in a little bit. So when you think of phonological awareness, think of hearing sounds, hearing phonemes. And remember that it's broken into three levels: the word level, which is basic, the syllable level, a little harder, and the phoneme level, which is hearing those distinct sounds within a word. Hi team, this is Chris Abraham from GOHAcademy. If you like this video, press the like button below or subscribe to our channel. This allows us to do more videos for teachers on their teacher certification exams. And if you need additional help, you can come and check out a GOHAcademy workshop or webinar or tutoring. You go to www.gohacademy.com. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.